everyone, welcome back to Nova Coder. Today we're going to explore an important concept in Python's object-oriented programming: inheritance. Inheritance allows one class, called a child class, to inherit methods and properties from another class known as the parent or base class. Let me show you a basic example in Python. Here, the dog class inherits from the animal class. It automatically gets the speak method from the parent and also has its own method bark. Four types of inheritance in Python. Python supports different types of inheritance. First, single inheritance. One child inherits from one parent. Second, multi-level inheritance. A class inherits from a child class, which itself inherited from another class. Third, multiple inheritance. A class inherits from more than one parent. Fourth, hierarchical inheritance. Multiple child classes inherit from the same parent. Why use inheritance? So why use inheritance in Python? It makes your code reusable. It helps with code organization, and it follows the dry principle. Don't repeat yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your questions below, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding.